Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we will see how we can filter the data or the records based on a particular column, which is having the data with some specific length. Okay, let's say if I talk about city and I want the records or as per the customer city, the values in the city should be of 15 length. Okay, so the characters should not be more than 15. If there is any character more than 15, it means that is a bad record for us. So how to filter out that kind of a records? Okay, so this is our source data frame. So to filter the records, again you can use filter function. Okay, inside filter we are filtering based for the column, I'll say. Okay, or you need to just pass the column name. Okay, let's say column name is city. Okay, and I want, okay, we need to check the length, right? So we need to use length operation, length function, gth length, and the length should be greater than or less than 50. Okay, let's say whatever is there less than 15, sorry, greater than 15 is an invalid record, invalid data frame, and I can print it. So I will get the records which does not suit with this condition. Okay, so I'm checking the data based on the length of values, right? So city, yeah, so this is the city. Let's try with the 10. Let's see what will happen. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So I think till 13 it will work, same result. Oh no, 13 12. Let's see. Yeah, so this is how you can filter out. Again, if you want the other ones, right, you just need to change the operator and it will work. You can put greater than equal to also. Yeah, so now you will see 22 records here and 2 records here. So this is how you can filter the data based on the length. Okay, so I hope this video will help you. Yeah, thank you, thanks a lot.